Hi guys, welcome back to my English video. Today I'm going to talk you about the topic of nature. Before that, I would like to briefly introduce myself. My name is Me. I'm 20 years old. Now I'm in my third year of an economics degree at foreign trained university. I'm from Thanh Hóa province, but now I'm living in Hanoi with my friend. Uh, I live in a quiet and peaceful village in the north center of Vietnam, always there from the crowded cities. It is surrounded by beautiful natural landscapes with lots of fresh air, green fields, green mountains, and a long white sand beach in the east. Every morning, I usually walk around the coast and see the sunrise on the sea. In the number in the summer, there are there are numerous tourists go there and mm, various various uh, activities take place in the beach. Many people like swimming. Many people like swimming, go fishing, and surfing. Children enjoy building sand, sand castle and flying kites. Individually, I like to go swimming, paddling, and sunbathe in the beach. I sometimes go to the mountain too. There are many, there are lots of trees, colorful flowers, and many bugs. As day turns to night, a beautiful sunset can be watched from the mountain. It's very romantic and poetic. My house is near a large rice field. The field is endless, endless and green. When working on the field, I feel close the nature. I like to sweet. I like the sweet and pleasant fragrance of ripe rice. To be honest, my hometown is very peaceful, where the only noise is is the sound of the birds and sea waves. It's much safer as there's less crime and the roads are less dangerous. There are three there are four seasons in my um there are four seasons in my city in my hometown. It is the uh the spring, summer, autumn, and winter. In the uh in the spring, the weather is warm and humid. The weather is suitable for the plants to grow and flowers to blossom. Uh, the spring is quite short. It is from the uh, last days of January to March or the first days of April. Mm, spring um, is a, a special season because the biggest holiday uh, takes place take place in this time. The Tet holiday. Uh, um, the Tet is Tet usually starts in February. However, since January, the atmosphere of Tet uh, already begun. The already begun. Um, um, already begun. Um, uh, the general atmosphere leading up to that is uh, the pressure of uh, shopping, decorating home, uh, and cooking that food. Parents buy new clothes for their children, therefore they can wear them when that arrives. Normally, summers often begin in the middle of April, but it starts to get hot in May and lasts until until the end of August. The weather is harsh. It's getting hotter and hotter. July is usually the hottest month of the year. Sometimes it can get above 40 degrees Celsius. There are sudden and short showers. Mm, in my view, autumn is the most beautiful season, as the weather is cool, uh, but still sunny. Uh, Other trees are beginning to shed their leaves, so the scenery is truly romantic and peaceful. In winter, the weather is a little bit cold, and the sky is often dark gray. The average temperature is from 15 to 17 degrees Celsius. Sometimes it drops to below 10 degrees Celsius. Um, I l- live in uh, my family and I live in a spacious house. It has three bedrooms, a large living room, a kitchen, a bathroom, and a small yard before the house. There is a wooden table, a chairs, a television on the shelf in the living room. After meals, my parents and my father will turn on television, choose a great movie, and we watch it happily. Next to the living room is my parents' room. There is a big bed in their room. I like my bedroom the best. It has a cozy bed, a long desk, two chairs, two wardrobes, and a bookshelf. I share the desk with my brother. I like to watch the game shows and read books in my room. My brother brother rooms brother's room is next to my room. He enjoys spending time drawing and painting in his room. Down the hallway is the kitchen. It has a wood burning stove, a gas stove, and um, a cupboard. My mom and I usually cook together in the kitchen room. Our house is near the market, so that it's convenient to shopping. There are lots of cafes, restaurants, and places to go. This is not the ideal house I dream about, but I really and love the place atmosphere. It's a fairly quiet place, having pure air. Um, in my family, my father is the oldest. He is 48 years old. He is tall and strong. He has tanned skin because he has to usually work outside. My father is quick tempered, but to be actually kind hearted. He uh, is hardworking and seems to get on well with everybody. Therefore, he is beloved of all. Definitely, he is the best father in the world. My mother is 3 years younger than my father. She is a thoughtful woman. She with takes care of her family well. She is short and thin. Her hair is black and shoulder length. She has a big nose, a round face. My mother is very open-minded and kind. Her hair is seldom. Uh, I like to share my thoughts with her. I have a younger brother. He is 17 years old. He is a student at a high school in the village. He has short black hair. He is tall and thin. He is an introverted person. He's quiet and shy. He doesn't like to talk to people. He is good at drawing and painting. He can uh, he can painting landscape and anime characters. He also he also can drawing draw the pictures of his friend. Every dinner uh, we like to eat and catch up on the news together. We usually talk about each person's life. My family is very cozy. I love spending time with my family. So I have a I have a dark brown hair and a black eyes. I wear black glasses. Mm, um, I'm very funny. I like to talk with people and have help my friends. I can cook many dishes. I can cook uh, um, dishes related to meat, like uh, uh, boiled meat, mm, stir stir fried pork, uh, fried meat or beef, and cook fish. Mm, I like uh, editing video too. Therefore, I study ed- uh, edit video on YouTube because it is free. I have a friend. She um, wear she wears black uh, glasses too. She has long black hair. She is tall and thin. She can play hit, uh, many instruments like guitar, flute, and flute. She is good at studying too. She is always uh, an excellent student in her university. Mm, I uh, like many kinds of food, especially pho. It Pho is one of the most popular dishes in Vietnam. The main component of pho is uh, special soup, rice noodles, and slices of beef or pork or chicken. In addition to increase the taste of this dish, pho is usually eaten together with chili sauce, lemon, coriander, and basil. Pho is often used for breakfast, but these days people can enjoy it for lunch, dinner, and even late at night. For me, it is great to eat pho in the morning, especially in winter. I feel full and warm. I love animals very much. I often watch many animal programs on television. My favorite animals are cats because they are calm and quiet. Dogs are also lovely, but they are too overexcited about almost everything. I feed two female cats. Their mother died when they were a month old, and now they are 4 months old. They are very small and cute. I call them Meow Meow. They are like two bees in a pod. They have gray fur with many black stripes. Their eyes are green. They have lovely pink noses and long yet thin tails. They always work very in a very gentle and elegant way, and their uh, balls are so soft that they hardly make any noise. They like to eat fish and drink milk. They are smart and enter and utter is their hobby is chase after the mouse and cockroaches that devastate my stuff. To be honest, cats are really predators. However, they are very lazy. My cats spend most of their time sleeping. They like to sunbathe in the roof together. People may think cats are indifferent and not attached with to their owners. However, they are the best pet and best friends for me. I like to play with them every day. Now I'm living at 79 Tang Street with my friend. Hanoi is the capital of Vietnam. It is located in the center of uh, Red River Delta of Vietnam and is Vietnam economics, cultural, and poli- 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 political political um, center. Uh, Hanoi is famous for uh, one pillar pagoda, the Temple of Literature, President Ho Chi Minh Mausoleum, and many other famous um, places. It also has lots of specialties, and the thing I like best is for Hanoi. It has many buildings and shopping centers too. I usually go shopping with my friends at the weekends. In general, people here very elegant, open-minded, and friendly. They are very willing to give directions to tourists and even invite them home. Besides, they are also very hard-working people, always trying their best in life. The traffic there is very crowded. Therefore, it is difficult to travel during rush hour. Besides the noise and bustle, it's also peaceful and poetic. I like the feeling of driving around the city with a few friends, especially in the fall. The weather is jolly and it's great to enjoy the wind and chat with each other. For me, Hanoi is a beautiful and ancient city. I love Hanoi very much. Normally, I have a summer vacation from the university from June to August. In the first month of my holiday, I go back to my hometown. It takes 4 hours to travel from Hanoi to Thanh Hóa. I spend most of this time with my family, relaxing and meeting with my old friends. Then I come back to my school to join summer classes. Classes last for 2 months from June to July. In August, the third month of my vacation, I go traveling with my friend. Then I prepare for fall term on August 25th. Um, on the weekend, at the weekends, I get up at 7 in the morning. My first daily routine after getting up is washing my teeth and washing my face. Then I have breakfast around 7:30. Then I join my online class. It's a soft skills development course. I study from a quarter to 8 to a quarter to 12. After that, I prepare lunch and have it at 12:30. I take a nap until 2 p.m. In the afternoon, I often do my homework for 2 hours. At 4 p.m., I like to go for a walk or do simple exercises. Then I make dinner at about 5 p.m. After that, I take a shower. Then I dry my hair. At 7 o'clock, I wash my clothes and hang them out to dry. I chat with my friends or surf the net for a while. Sometimes I read a book or listen to music. Around 10 p.m., I clean my face and brush my teeth. Then I lock the door, set the alarm, and go to bed at 11 o'clock. So now will count from 0 to 100. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, of 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, and 100. So that's all my story. Thank you so much for listening to me. See you again.